Here's what you need to know about what is a virtual switch. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A virtual switch, vSwitch, is a software-based switch that runs inside a hypervisor. It connects virtual machines, VMs, to each other and to the physical network. Virtual switches behave like physical switches, but exist entirely in software. Key concept: lives inside a hypervisor. A virtual switch is created and managed by a hypervisor like VMware SC or Microsoft Hyper-V. It has no physical hardware. All switching happens in software. Key concept: connects VMs to network. VMs connect to a vSwitch instead of a physical switch port. The vSwitch then forwards traffic between VMs on the same host or out to the physical network. Key concept: supports VLANs and trunks. Virtual switches support VLAN tagging and trunking just like physical switches. You can isolate VM traffic into separate VLANs for security and segmentation. Key concept: uplinks to physical network. A vSwitch connects to the physical network through uplink ports tied to physical NICs on the host server. Traffic leaving the host travels through these uplinks. Let's look at the full breakdown. Physical switch, hardware device in a rack, fixed number of ports, managed via CLI or Web GUI, connects physical devices. Virtual switch, software inside hypervisor, flexible port count, managed via hypervisor console, connects virtual machines. Here's a real-world example. A VMware SXI host runs 10 virtual machines. A virtual switch inside SE connects all 10 VMs together and links them to the physical network through 2 physical NICs. VMs in VLAN 10 can only talk to each other, while VMs in VLAN 20 are isolated, all enforced by the vSwitch without any physical switch config changes. Quick recap before you go. 1. A virtual switch, vSwitch, is a software switch inside a hypervisor. 2. It connects VMs to each other and to the physical network. 3. Virtual switches support VLANs, trunking, and port security like physical switches. 4. Uplink ports connect the vSwitch to physical NICs for external network access. 5. Common examples: VMware vSwitch, Cisco Nexus 1000V, Open vSwitch, OVS. That's what is a virtual switch. Covered. Exam tip: virtual switch equals software switch inside a hypervisor. On the exam, if a question involves VM-to-VM traffic or connecting VMs to a physical network, the answer involves a virtual switch. Next up, what is network monitoring? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.